Thank you, Gary. The holiday shopping frenzy is now in full swing online after a record-breaking shopping weekend.
Now some experts say this Cyber Monday could shape out to be the biggest online shopping day ever. Adobe Analytics predicts a whopping $11.2 billion will be spent.
And this comes as shoppers already shelled out $9 billion on Black Friday. Although this is a sign of consumer confidence, it also presents an opportunity for scammers to prey on people while they're trying to find the best deals.
Especially those supporting small businesses. Experts say small businesses often become a target because they don't often have the same resources that big box stores do.
KSHB 41 News reporter Abby Dodge talked to some local businesses as they navigate the increase in online traffic.
A hot item this year has been puzzles.
Picking out a present this year,
And these are bulbs that no longer work, but we've converted them into ornaments.
is an easy task for Made in Kansas City co-owner Keith Bradley.
We're already seeing the continued support for shopping local, whether that's on Black Friday, Small Business Saturday, or Cyber Monday.
Technology expert Burton Kelso says small businesses like Bradley's are a target for scammers.
Well, unfortunately, small businesses normally don't have the resources in order to protect themselves from cyber criminals.
They're a testing ground for stolen cards or a place to skim card information for themselves. The biggest issues for shoppers this season is phishing.
But criminals create messages that are designed to lure you in order to click on links that will take you to malicious websites.
Well, we were out on our story today. We got this message from a company claiming to be a package delivery service, but I've never used this phone number to order anything, so we're going to call them and see what's up.
Please leave your message for 8583088.
It takes you to click on the wrong link in order to get yourself infected with the variety of cyber threats that are out there. Go to their sites to find out what the real status of your package is, as opposed to believing a voicemail message or even a text message that comes in.
In lieu of waiting for a delivery, Bradley shares a love of in-person shopping with most of their customers.
And I always say it's more fun to shop with a coffee or beer in your hand than at home in your pajamas.
Those are reserved for opening presents in. In Kansas City, Abby Dodge.
Okay, thank you, Don.
KSHB 41 News.